Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to place an order on the KFC application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then tap on the order button down below, and after that click on order with delivery. After that you should either choose the localize me option at the top, which means that first you need to allow the application to have access to your location, and then your current location will be detected. But you can also enter your address manually, so you should type in your address first, and after that your apartment number, but it's optional. Then tap on this green button down below, and here you should select the items you want to order. So tap on it, click on add to basket, tap on basket. If you are done with selecting the products you want to order, here you can tap on the order and pay button down below. So you should add your apartment number and staircase. Here you can see the estimated delivery time, your order. If you have a promotion code, tap on it and type in the discount code. Then you should add the delivery details such as your phone number and order notes, which means that you can add additional requirements for your order, but it's totally up to you, so it's optional. And finally you should select your payment method such as online payment or cash on delivery. After that, tap on order and pay down below to proceed and place your order. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.